Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts! Ready to embark on a mouthwatering journey through Thailand's rich culinary landscape? Let's dive right in and discover the best Thai dishes you absolutely can't miss. First up, we've got Pad Thai. This iconic stir-fried noodle dish is a perfect medley of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. Picture this. Flat rice noodles, tossed with shrimp, tofu, eggs, and crunchy bean sprouts, all enveloped in a tangy tamarind sauce. Top it off with crushed peanuts and a squeeze of lime. Fun fact, Pad Thai was introduced in the 1930s as part of a national campaign to reduce rice consumption. It's a dish born out of ingenuity and resourcefulness. Next, let's talk about Yum Goong. This hot and sour soup is the epitome of Thai cuisine. Imagine a steaming bowl of broth infused with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and fresh chilies. Toss in some succulent shrimp, mushrooms, and a splash of fish sauce, and you've got yourself a bowl of pure comfort. The combination of spicy, sour, and citrusy flavors will dance on your taste buds. Pro tip: enjoy it with a bowl of jasmine rice to balance out the heat. Now let's satisfy your sweet tooth with mango sticky rice. This dessert is simplicity at its finest. Ripe, juicy mango slices paired with sticky glutinous rice, all drizzled with a rich coconut milk sauce. It's a perfect harmony of textures and flavors. Did you know this dessert is especially popular during the mango season in Thailand, which runs from March to May? Trust me, once you've had a taste, you'll be counting down the days till mango season. Moving on to something a bit more adventurous. Som tum, also known as green papaya salad. This vibrant dish is a staple in Thai street food culture. Shredded green papaya, tomatoes, green beans, garlic, and chilies are pounded together with a mortar and pestle. Add in some lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar, and you've got a salad that's bursting with flavors. It's crunchy, spicy, and incredibly refreshing. And here's a tip. Som tum can be customized with various toppings like dried shrimp or salted crab for an extra punch. Lastly, you can't leave Thailand without trying massaman curry. This rich, hearty curry is a fusion of Thai and Indian flavors. Think tender chunks of meat, potatoes, and peanuts simmered in a creamy coconut milk base, spiced with cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. It's comfort food at its best. Traditionally, massaman curry is made with beef, but you can also find chicken or even vegetarian versions. So, there you have it. 5 must-try Thai dishes that will take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. Whether you're planning a trip to Thailand or just want to explore its cuisine from home, these dishes are sure to delight. Don't forget to share your culinary adventures and let me know which dish is your favorite. Until next time, happy eating.